Ever wondered why some websites rank higher on search engines than others, despite having similar content? It's not magic or coincidence, but a result of effective off-page SEO strategies. Off-page SEO, or search engine optimization, is a key piece of the digital marketing puzzle. But what does it really mean? Well, off-page SEO refers to all the activities you or others do away from your website to raise the ranking of a page with search engines. It's everything that doesn't happen directly on your website. Instead, it's about your online reputation, the personal relationships and social networks you've built, and the meaningful content you publish elsewhere. Why is it important? Think of it this way. Your website may be perfectly optimized with great content, but without off-page SEO, it's like a fancy car with no gas. It won't get you very far. Off-page SEO fuels your online presence and helps drive traffic to your website. It's what makes search engines and users trust and value your site. Off-page SEO is comprised of three main components: building quality backlinks, social media engagement, and online reputation management. Let's break those down a bit. Building quality backlinks is like getting a thumbs up from other reputable websites. It signals to search engines that your content is valuable, credible, and worth linking to. Social media engagement, on the other hand, is all about creating a buzz around your brand. It's about sparking conversations, sharing your content, and building a community around your brand on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Last but not least, online reputation management is about ensuring your brand is perceived positively on the internet. This includes monitoring online reviews, responding to customer feedback, and addressing negative comments promptly. Now that we have a solid understanding of what off-page SEO entails, let's delve into the specifics of each component. In the world of SEO, not all backlinks are created equal. Indeed, backlinks are like the lifeblood of off-page SEO. But what exactly are backlinks? Simply put, these are links from other websites that direct users to your site. Search engines like Google interpret these links as a sign of trust and validation. Imagine them as votes of confidence in your content. The more quality backlinks you have, the more credible and valuable your website appears to search engines. This, in turn, improves your site's ranking on search results pages. But here's the catch. It's not just about racking up a huge number of backlinks. Quality trumps quantity every time. A few backlinks from authoritative, relevant sites in your niche can have a far greater impact than countless links from low-quality or unrelated sites. So, how do you build these high-quality backlinks? Well, there are several strategies at your disposal. One of the most effective methods is guest posting. This involves writing a blog post for another website in your industry. In return, you'll typically get a link back to your site within the content or in the author bio. Another strategy is influencer outreach. This involves forming relationships with influential figures in your niche who can share your content and link back to your site. Content collaboration is another great way to earn quality backlinks. This could involve co-creating a piece of content like a blog post, infographic, or a webinar with another website. In the process, both parties link back to each other's sites, creating a win-win situation. Remember, building backlinks is not an overnight process. It requires time, effort, and a strategic approach, but the rewards are worth it, boosting your website's visibility, driving more organic traffic, and establishing your authority in the digital landscape. Remember, it's not about the number of backlinks, but the quality and relevance of the sites they come from. Keep this in mind as you navigate the world of off-page SEO, and you'll be on your way to a stronger, more visible online presence. In today's digital age, social media is more than just a platform for sharing selfies and memes. It has evolved into a powerful tool for off-page SEO, helping to improve website visibility and rankings. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram provide a unique opportunity to reach and engage with a broad audience, promoting your content and influencing search engine algorithms. A key aspect of social media engagement is, quite simply, to be active. This doesn't mean just posting your content and waiting for the likes to roll in. It's about starting conversations, joining discussions, and creating a community around your brand. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments, and show them that there's a person behind the brand. This not only builds trust and loyalty, but also increases the chances of your content being shared, broadening its reach and potential impact. Sharing your content on social media extends its lifespan and increases its visibility. It allows your content to be discovered by new audiences and encourages interaction. However, it's important to share with purpose. Don't just post for the sake of posting. Make sure your content adds value, is relevant to your audience, and aligns with your brand's voice and message. Encouraging social sharing is another effective way to leverage social media for off-page SEO. When your content is shared by others, it acts as a social signal to search engines, indicating the quality and relevance of your content. To encourage social sharing, create content that is engaging, valuable, and shareable. This could be an informative blog post, a compelling infographic, or a captivating video. Remember, social media is a two-way street. It's not just about broadcasting your content, but listening to your audience as well. Pay attention to their comments, questions, and concerns. Use their feedback to improve your content and services, and to better understand their needs and preferences. By leveraging the power of social media, you can boost your website's visibility and reach a wider audience. It's about building relationships, fostering engagement, and creating a community around your brand. In the realm of off-page SEO, social media is not just a trend, but a powerful tool that can drive significant results. In the digital world, your online reputation can make or break your success. This truism is particularly significant when it comes to off-page SEO. Your online reputation is the perception that people, including search engine algorithms, have of your website based on what they find about you on the internet. It directly influences your website's credibility and visibility. Managing your online reputation is a multifaceted process. It starts with monitoring online reviews and feedback about your website, product, or service. Online reviews are powerful influencers. They can shape potential customers' perceptions and significantly impact your search engine rankings. Therefore, it's essential to keep an eye on what's being said about you online and to take all reviews into account, both positive and negative. Responding to customer feedback is another critical aspect of online reputation management. Whether you receive praise or criticism, it's essential to engage with your audience. Thank your customers for positive reviews and testimonials. Show appreciation for their time and feedback. This not only fosters a sense of community, but also enhances your reputation as a customer-centric business. Now, addressing negative comments can be a bit tricky, but it's a vital part of managing your online reputation. If a customer has a negative experience, they're likely to share it online. Don't ignore these comments. Instead, view them as opportunities to showcase your commitment to customer satisfaction. Respond promptly and professionally. Apologize for any inconvenience caused and offer solutions to rectify the situation. This can turn a negative situation into a positive one and show that you value your customers' experiences. Remember, the goal of online reputation management is to create a positive image of your website in the digital space. It's about building trust and credibility, not just with your audience, but also with search engines. So, invest time and effort in managing your online reputation. Remember, a positive online reputation not only attracts potential customers, but also signals to search engines that your website is trustworthy and credible. So never underestimate the power of a good online reputation in the realm of off-page SEO. If you're a local business owner, you'll want to pay close attention to this next part. Local SEO is a crucial component of off-page optimization, specifically designed to enhance your visibility in location-based searches. It's all about making sure that when someone in your area searches for the products or services you offer, your business pops up as a top result. One of the most effective local SEO strategies is to ensure the consistency of your business information across all online directories. This includes your business name, address, and phone number, often referred to as NAP. Consistent NAP information makes your business more trustworthy to both potential customers and search engines. Another key strategy is to actively seek reviews on platforms like Google My Business. Positive reviews not only boost your online reputation, but they also signal to Google that your business is legitimate and appreciated by its customers. With effective local SEO strategies, your business can stand out in location-based searches and attract more local customers. Mastering off-page SEO might seem daunting, but it's an essential part of a successful digital marketing strategy. In our journey today, we've traversed through the key pillars of off-page SEO. We began by understanding the importance of building quality backlinks, which serve as votes of confidence from other reputable websites. We then delved into the power of social media engagement, shedding light on how active participation and content sharing on these platforms can boost your visibility. Next, we looked at online reputation management, emphasizing the need to monitor and respond to online reviews and feedback. Lastly, we explored local SEO strategies, highlighting their significance for local businesses aiming to improve visibility in location-based searches. With these strategies at your fingertips, you're well on your way to boosting your website's visibility and credibility. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more SEO tips and